There are good things and bad things about working in an open plan office. The good things are that you share knowledge easily. If there's a good energy, it's being reflected to your colleagues really quickly. The bad things are that you disturb each other, and even the good energy can become bad energy when somebody are eager, having good ideas and just ask across the room. Being disturbed takes a lot of your time actually. It affected me mentally that I couldn't focus, I couldn't concentrate. Coming home to your family, not achieved what you had planned in the morning, that means that your mindset can be somewhere else, and that's not a very good feeling, and it makes you sad. The increased amount of disturbances actually made me feel like sometimes I wanted to build a wall around myself. The first time I put on the Jabra Evolve 80 headset was an amazing experience. Being able to cancel all surrounding noise. It is like closing a door when you need to. Using the Busy Light feature has made my colleagues more efficient in the way they disturb me, just like knocking on a door that you don't go into an office without being prepared. The Evolve 80 has improved my communication when I'm on the phone with my customers, since I know that they cannot hear the surrounding noise, allowing me to focus 100% on the conversation. I use the headset for music as well. It's great for music, it's the best sound quality. We're moving to bigger offices because my company is continuously growing. We will be more people, and the ability to focus and concentrate will be even more important. Evolve has allowed me to be more efficient, leave the office with a more clear mind, because I actually been able to do my tasks. So when I come home, I'm able to engage much more. I am more happy, I play better with the kids, and I'm 100% focused on my family, and they feel that.